Did you know that in a car accident case in New York, we only have to show that you're more likely right than wrong? You want to learn what this is about? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York car accident attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. Now, when we bring a car accident case and we need to show to the jury that you are entitled to a verdict in your favor, what do we actually have to show them? Well, the bottom line is we have to show them that we are more likely right than wrong, that the person you have sued, the other driver, was careless. That's known as negligence. We also have to show that that carelessness was a cause of the injuries that you suffered. And legally, what that means is we have to show that there was liability, we have to show that there's causation, and we have to show damages. Now, what is liability? Liability means that there's wrongdoing. And as a result of that wrongdoing, you suffered some type of injury. Now, causation is the link between the driver's carelessness and the injuries that you suffered. That's the bridge between the two, and there always has to be that connection. And then we have to show that your injuries rise to a certain level that's required in the state of New York. That's called meeting the threshold. And if your injuries are temporary or minor, your case is going to get booted out of the court system because the law will not allow you to go forward with that type of case. You might be asking yourself, what type of injury is considered to be serious that you can go forward with a valid lawsuit? Well, let me give you a perfect example. Let's say you suffered a fractured femur and now you needed surgery. That type of injury is considered a serious injury and you would be able to go forward with a lawsuit. What about facial scarring? That also is considered a significant injury. Well, what other types of injuries are there? Well, there are multiple injuries and multiple definitions, and the only true way to know whether or not your particular injury qualifies as being serious that will allow you to proceed forward with an accident case in New York is to pick up the phone and speak to an experienced attorney who does this on a daily basis. So to get back to the basics, we have to show that there's liability, that there's causation, and that there are damages. And bottom line is, we need to show that you are more likely right than wrong, that what we are claiming is true. And for those of you who are interested, that's known as the preponderance of evidence. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in a car accident case here in the state of New York. You know, I recognize that you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.